Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Kiran. I am from base chemistry and my ID is 005. Now I am going to present the third course of Python, that is joining data with pandas. So in joining data with pandas, we will talk about data merging basics, merging tables with different types of joins, advanced merging and concatenating, and merging ordered and time series data. So first, data merging basics, in which we will discuss about inner join, one-to-many relationship, and merging multiple data frames. This is a query related to data merging basics. So at second number, we'll talk about merging tables. It includes left join, counting missing rows with left join, enriching a data set, how many rows with the left join, other joins, for example, right join to find unique movies, popular genres, with right join using outer join, merging a table to itself, and then self join. Third, at the third number, we will talk about advanced merging that include filtering joins, types of a semi-join, performing an anti-join, performing a semi-join, concatenate data frames together vertically, concatenation basics, concatenating with keys, using the append method, and verifying integrity, validating a merge. And at the in the next, we will talk about merging ordered and time series data. It includes using merge ordered, correlation between GDP and S&P 500, Phillips curve using merge ordered caution multiple columns, using merge ASOF, using merge to sticky stocks, using merge to create dataset, merge and merge order differences, then selecting data with query, and at the end it includes explore financials with query. So this is my certificate of joining data with pandas from Datacamp. Thank you.